You like my hair? Gee, thanks. I did it.
Wait, what? How'd she do that?
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hiba. Nice to meet you. And welcome to my hair care series where I talk to you guys about anything hair care related and spill the tea on tricks, tips, and remedies on how to have gorgeous, beautiful hair. Today I bring to you a pocket-friendly homemade hair gel that has changed the game. Before we even begin, I would like to mention that every hair care video that I have made so far or will continue to make are only made because they genuinely worked well for me. My goal is not just to make content, but it's to make good content that actually works, or at least it did for me. Get it? Got it? Done! Back to this hair gel that we were talking about. In all honesty, I stumbled upon this recipe not very long ago because I recently cut my hair quite short, and since I have naturally wavy-ish curly hair, I wanted to try something natural to enhance my curls so that I can style it better and look cute. But at the same time, I wanted to feed my hair all the goodies that it needs to be healthy as well. So after a little digging around, watching YouTube videos, reading beauty blogs, and even reading a little bit about hair chemistry, I came across today's star ingredient for our recipe: flax seeds.
What? Flax seeds?
Yes, flax seeds.
How can flax seeds be good for your hair and make it curly?
Hiba, you just like to put food in your hair.
Does it even work?
Oh. It's almost as if I was waiting for you to ask. Flax seeds are a superfood, great for health and beauty. They are rich in a number of macronutrients like proteins and fibers, as well as micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. Going into specifics as to why flax seeds work is because they are rich in vitamin E and maintains a healthy scalp by reducing free radical damage, and also improves circulation, which promotes hair growth, and some studies show that it actually prevents premature graying. Flax seeds are the richest source of omega-3 fatty acids called ALAs, alpha-linolenic acids, which help keep the hair and scalp nourished and moisturized and can improve symptoms of dandruff, acne, and eczema. Flax seeds also improves the elasticity of hair strands, making them less brittle and prone to breakage. And finally, the presence of B vitamins, magnesium, manganese, selenium, and copper all encourage stronger and healthier hair growth. Now imagine having all of that, but in a bottle, as a gel, for your hair, and maybe even your skin. Crazy. And with that, let's get straight into the recipe. What you'll need for this recipe is a glass jar, some flax seeds. This big pack cost around $7, but today you'll just need a quarter cup, some cheesecloth or stockings, and around 600 mils or 20 ounces of water. Set your water on the stove top and dump the flax seeds in. You want the water to gradually come to a boil, but make sure to frequently stir the pot to avoid any flax seeds from sticking to the bottom. You'll notice that white bubbles will start to form. This is the mucus being released from the seeds. The longer the water boils, the thicker it gets. Keep stirring until you see a single continuous stream of water like this. That's when you know it's ready, and you can set it aside to cool down for about 30 minutes to an hour. You'll notice that the water gets a little thick as it cools and slowly transforms into a gel consistency. I have way too much fun playing around with this, and when I see that it doesn't stick to my fingers, I prepare for step 2. Take your glass jar and secure your stocking around the rim. Then, pour your gel into the stocking. This was extremely satisfying for me to film, so I'm gonna indulge you with these close-ups that you didn't ask for. Call me weird, but there's just something about slime that makes me happy. Also, make sure you squeeze as much of the gel out as you possibly can. At the end, you should end up with a decent amount that should last you a while. When you're done, you can store it in the refrigerator, and it should be fine for use for a couple of weeks. Then, take the remaining flax seeds out of the stocking and refrigerate it in an airtight container for next time. Don't mind me, I just woke up here, but I bring to you some application tips to keep in mind. Number 1. use on freshly washed hair, because if there's other product or dirt sitting on top of it, the gel won't absorb. Number 2, apply to wet hair. This is because water activates the gel and it's easier to spread the product more thoroughly. Number 3, brush your hair before application. This is especially for my curly wavy haired people. You want to brush and detangle your hair before applying the gel. You can detangle your curls with your fingers after gel application. And number 4, apply in sections. This gives you more control and definition because of proper distribution. The more sections you have, the more definition your curls will have. To apply the gel, I grab a small amount and spread it on my palms. I distribute the gel generously on the length of my hair and gently massage some onto the scalp as well for all the goodies that I mentioned earlier to absorb. Then, I gently scrunch up my hair like so a couple of times and repeat the process on other remaining sections. Some more tips to keep in mind: don't manipulate or play with your hair after applying the gel. And don't pair this gel with other products. This will result in flaking and we don't want that. I went for a little walk afterwards and this is how my hair looked. Note that your hair will be slightly crispy and that's perfectly normal and expected and disappears by next day. This is how my hair looked after it was completely dry. Of course, my curls would have been a lot more defined if I had used a hairdryer or a diffuser, but since my main goal and focus was to work towards healthier hair, I chose to air dry it. But of course, this is completely a personal choice, and if you want to use a hairdryer or a diffuser, you go right ahead, do that. In fact, that way your curls will be more defined and they will actually last you a little bit longer. And on that note, we're done. This gel has literally made my life so easy. If I'm honest, I'm not really a hair person. Like, I would much rather focus my attention on my makeup instead of hair, you know? Like, makeup is here, hair is here. For me though. But that's just me being me. I truly hope this recipe helps you the way that it helped me. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It means the world to me. I'm gonna take this off. Whoa. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to help support your girl make more videos in the future. Last but not least, make sure to hit the bell notification to know exactly when I post those videos in the future. And since I told you that I'm a makeup girl, here's my Instagram handle where I post makeup related content. I think I post some pretty decent looks. I mean, pretty cute, don't you think? Look at that glow. Look at that glow. Oh. So definitely check that out if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and be safe.
Oh, you look like an apricot.
This is so hard. Boom, boom, boom. That's gonna be like an hour-long footage. That's wild.